Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this awesome supplement by Dr. Matthew. It is turmeric and it also has ginger and bioperine in it. So this is an excellent supplement. Let me show you why.
I love this turmeric supplement because it is an amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. I have noticed that this improves the quality of my skin and it also lessens pain that I have. So for example, I have a lot of back pain from some issues that I have, and so turmeric really helps to take down the inflammation. I take 2 of these a day with a meal. Turmeric is fat soluble, so it's better to take it with a high fat meal. So I'll usually take it with lunch or dinner. And I also am so happy that it includes black pepper fruit extract because we need the black pepper to make the turmeric more bioavailable to our body. So Dr. Matthew has thought of everything. This is an excellent supplement, and these pills are really pretty small. They're not on the larger side, so they're very easy to swallow. I have no issues with. They're really high quality. You can see that the color is super bright, super vibrant. I think you're gonna love this supplement just as much as I do.
And that's my point of view.